Okay, Vic, ar an leathnach sin, this is our Irish for today.
Tá Rory anseo. Is Misha Rory. I am Rory. Tá mé ní mlína díos. I am 9 years old. Tá ma cuid grúige fionn. My hair is blonde. Tá ma cuid grúige gear. My hair is short. Níl ma cuid grúige ada. My hair is not long. Tá ma cuid grúige díreach. My hair is straight. Níl ma cuid grúige catach. My hair is not curly. Tá masúla gurm. My eyes are blue.
Okay, so Vic ar an ceisna a hain go dtí a hocht. Agus cur na focal ann isteach. Okay, put these words into these sentences and they're all to do with you. So, Kay Tussa, who are you? Is Misha Miss Mulvey? Is Misha Kaya? Is Misha Kaylee? Okay, what is your name? Kay Tussa. Cain Ish who? How old are you? Cain da atá ar de cuid grúige. What colour is your hair? An bhfuil de cuid grúige ada. Is your hair long? An bhfuil de cuid grúige díreach. Is your hair straight? An bhfuil de cuid grúige catach. Is your hair curly? Cén da atá ar de súla. What colour are your eyes? And an bhfuil de súla done. Are your eyes brown? Okay, how do we answer these questions? Kay, Cain, an bhfuil. You either answer with the word tá or níl. And all the words down the bottom to help you with your answers.